In this video, I'm going to show you how to pin or unpin Telegram messages in groups using the Telegram desktop app. This is a really useful feature if you want to highlight important announcements, rules, links, updates, or reminders so everyone in the group can see them right away. And if the pinned message is no longer needed, I'll also show you how to remove it in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Telegram guides. Let's jump in. First, open your Telegram desktop app and go into the group where you want to manage a message. Once you're inside the group chat, find the message you want to pin. Move your mouse over that message, then right-click on it to open the menu. From the options that appear, click Pin. Telegram will now pin that message to the top of the group so it becomes easier for everyone to find. This is especially helpful for important group information that should stay visible. If you want to change the pinned message later or remove it completely, the process is just as easy. To unpin a message, first click the pinned message bar located at the very top of the chat window. This bar shows the message that is currently pinned in the group. After clicking it, you'll see the pinned message list or preview. From there, right-click the message you want to unpin, then click Unpin. Telegram will ask you to confirm the action, so click Unpin again to finish. And that's it. You've now learned how to pin a message in a Telegram group and how to unpin it when you no longer need it. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to click. If this video was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy Telegram tutorials, app tips, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.